Nucleotide excision repair of DNA. This is an example of thymine dimer repair in E. coli. 2 UVRA molecules and 1 UVRB molecule move along the DNA, scanning for damage. They stop when they meet the DNA damage, which in this case is the thymine dimer. UVRB remains, UVRA is released, and UVRC binds and makes 2 incisions. UVRD separates the segments of damaged DNA. UVRB, UVRC, and UVRD are released. DNA polymerase fills the gaps with proper nucleotides. DNA ligase seals the gaps. Damaged DNA has now been replaced.